What's up, guys? We're at Sam's Club and we're about, let's go through. We're about to do the scan and go. So it'll be the first time that we do scan and go at Sam's Club. Y'all know we are hardcore Sam's Club people, but we've never did the scan and go. So we're gonna try that now. I think I got some of my location on. You might.
The eagle. Ooh, what the lion say? Yeah, it's a baby.
So, I don't know if you guys can see.
Yeah.
Let me see if it'll focus. My focus is shitty right now.
There you go.
So, I have the Sam's Club app right here. Okay. So, we're going to click that. And go to scan and go at the bottom. I hope y'all can see it. Scan and go at the bottom. And this is what it says. Welcome to Sam's Club. Scan, pay, and go. So basically what you do is you scan the item straight from your phone. Are you too close?
No, I'm not.
You scan the items right from your phone and just put it in your basket and you pay and you just show them the little code at the door. So that's what we're gonna do. Tap to scan the item. Before you get started, please use a register if you intend to spend over $750. We don't have to worry about that today. And then it comes up like this. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Yeah, they can see it.
So it comes up like this and you just scan the barcode and go on. So we're gonna do that today, guys. So we're gonna use this here and we're gonna scan the barcode. And it comes up like this. So we're gonna do that. But we're gonna put 4 because we need 4. Okay, so guys, we didn't get a chance to finish the video, but the Scan and Go app is wonderful. Since we shop at Sam's Club so much, this is very convenient. You can run in and out, skip the lines, you know, and just scan and go, honey. But you can download the app on your mobile device and get to shopping.
What I didn't do? Being our family. We laughing to keep her crying. You wonder why I'm looking like this. We got
summertime. Cotton tail.
We got a bird in our house. Okay.
In the face.
And I'm probably gonna have to go kill him.
We didn't want to kill him, but ain't no way. Mother told us to just get him and get him out.
So, Lenci gonna stay up here.
Look at this thing.
Oh. Lenci gonna stay up here. We're gonna open the back door. And I'm gonna shoot him. Through the opening.
Not with a gun. We don't do animal violence.
But my mother told me, put my hood on.
Come on.
So, Lenci gonna record while I go downstairs.
I'm gonna do that. Whoa, but he can't go past all this here.
So that means you gotta fight it.
You a liar. Cause you gotta get all that shit out the way. What if he came in through the pool?
He came through no pool.
Oh, scared. We don't know how the silver gun came in. It's got to be something in that basement.
Mother talking about, it's just a sparrow. If it's bigger than a can, then he'll rob it.
You're robbing me. I'm scared as fuck.
Okay.
I'm trying to set y'all up because I ain't gonna have time to hold you.
I'm gonna crack the door.
Bitch is
You make sure don't nothing else come in here.
Her mom's scared. Babe,
What?
I'm scared.
Daddy big. Hey, don't Riley. What?
No, I'm trying to. Wait. Shit. Wait.
Y'all think this funny?
Wait. I'm so scared. Cause some birds have to read. Oh, wait.
You ready? I'm the one going down there.
We can fly. Oh. Wait. Give me right quick. I'm scared. Okay, come on. Oh, shit. Babe, go. Fucking go. What is you waiting on?
Oh shit. We got to move this. Cause the door gotta be wide open.
Oh, shit. Oh, goddamn. Oh, shit. Hurry up and don't let us come. You just gotta go. You can't be no bitch. You gotta go. You just gotta go.
Oh, I can't be no bitch, but she right. She
need
did.
to sip of some shit. Fuck.
Come on.
Stop.
Bitch, I know you see the light.
I want you to go down there and get the fuck.
Bitch, I know you see the light. That motherfucker come fly this way. Oh, I'm a shit. I'm like
Me too. I'm trying to keep it from out the house. Just go down there and see. Stop. No, you just told me not to do that, dummy. Oh, shit.
what the fuck?
My heart hurt like a bitch. Oh, shit. Ray Bobby, come over here. I'm going back out. Hurry up.
I don't know where it at. Motherfucker. That motherfucker was under the sink.
Close the door.
No, we want him out.
I can't breathe. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Oh, God.
That motherfucker was under the steps.
You be able to do it.
Babe, you got to go with me.
Down there?
We're going to fight together.
No. I gotta watch the baby. That was the agreement.
These white girls looking at us like we fucking retarded.
They're only looking at you because they probably think you done broke in trying to do something to me. Okay, wait. Oh.
Now you got to get to the door and open it because I just closed it back.
Ravon,
Want me to open it back?
I can't do it.
You're going to have to. You're going to have to. You're going to have to be strong. I don't know where that motherfucker.
I don't want him in my house. Okay, we ain't gonna let him come out. I'm gonna close the door.
No, the fuck you're
Hey,
not.
so you could just fight him.
No.
And get him out of here. Babe, I can't do it. I'm finna pass out.
Babe,
Ravon.
just be cool.
I can't.
Yes.
I gotta close the door.
Babe, don't close that motherfucking door.
I gotta close the door. Look, no. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. I can't do it.
Babe.
I can't do it.
Oh my fucking God.
You see him? Did you see him? We might gotta wait. You just gotta go get your shit.
How am I gonna get my shit and I'm scared?
You just gotta run down there, get your shit, and come back up. Get my shit too. And just come back. Stop fucking doing it. Oh, I hear him. Okay. I hear him too.
Let's get it going now. Babe, we gotta get it.
We shouldn't have to do this. This ain't called the people.
We're gonna call him, but goddamn, if he come out the basement while I'm down there, we're gonna let his ass out. So you gotta stay close by.
Oh, yeah, wait. I'm not meant for this. You know I got excited.
Shit, I'm gonna have it after this.
I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Not for real, not bullshit. Okay. What I'm gonna keep it from going in the rest of the house?
You just gonna.
No, cause
Yes, you are.
you see him. You see him. He look thick in them pants. If he come towards you, just hit him.
No, cause I might miss.
Don't be aggressive. He might get scared.
And that's the whole point I'm scared of.
We be to play some baseball today. I'm so scared as fuck.
What the fuck is that? Oh, bitch!
Sam, is he coming? Is he coming?
I thought he was charging.
Nigga, you worked in the whole fucking jail. Get your ass down there.
Come on, baby. Come on, little chirp chirp. Where you at? He on the window.
Is he?
Yep.
You see him?
Yep.
He's scared.
Yeah, he's real scared. Oh, see, he's flying back and forth to the window.
Cause he trying to get out.
I know.
Okay, so get your shit and come on.
Where you just go? Babe,
I don't fucking know.
come here. Oh, shit. He on out with goddamn cups.
Are you for real?
Bullshit. He walking on every motherfucking thing down here. I want to beat his ass.
You gotta let me watch all that shit, cause I'm not fit to put nothing on my big job. He been on.
See, that's my only problem is where he's flying at.
Babe.
I need you to come watch my
Okay, come on. Just come on, baby. You gotta wear something else tomorrow.
I don't have nothing.
I'll find you can wear that you got on.
No, fuck no.
Why? Why? All that shit in your trunk, you bound to find something. Come on. Come on, I see some more birds flying out this side. I don't want them in here. Come on.
Where the fuck did you come from?
Babe.
The bitch.
Babe, I gotta close this door.
Which one?
This one.
No, you just watch that door.
No, it's birds flying around the door, dum dum.
Close it. You gotta open it all the way to close it. Just leave it like that, just in case you gotta push the door.
Right, Mom. Bye, cause I'm not finna. No, you better bring your motherfucking ass, cause I'm not finna do this.
This is some bullshit.
Hurry up.
If he come, he coming. Then I'm gonna dive towards the fucking door.
Close the fucking door. You just gotta wear that.
not wearing this.
Why?
What's wrong with it?
Mission failed.